So my name's Alyssa Robison and I'm a physics major and I graduate in May of 2018. For people who are interested in physics, I think that physics is a way to approach the world and understand why it works, and then it teaches you how to apply that to abstract ideas or to anything else that you do throughout the day. You can do so much with it. So I, for example, am going into medicine. So everyone that comes into physics, they think, oh, you're going to be Neil deGrasse Tyson, or oh, you're going to be Stephen Hawking and be a professor and do abstract math all day, and all you can do is just go to graduate school and then be a professor. And that's not really true. There are so many immediate applications of physics. A lot of people that have physics degrees go into engineering. A lot of people with physics degree go into teaching, because physics, like I said earlier, it's not a thing, it's problem solving and teaching you how to apply the understandings that you have of the world. So my plans after graduation are to go to medical school. So I know that no one really thinks that physics people do that, but we do. Problem solving is a big part of being a doctor, and understanding the biology that I'm learning and understanding that the chemistry that goes into pharmacology and how your body works is amazing. And at every interview I've gone to, one of their questions is, so why physics? And that's something that really sets you apart, and it's a little more meaningful to them that you chose to do something that you love, not just because you wanted to go to medical school and that's what everyone else is doing, but because you learn better that way. And like I said, I did the biophysics concentration, and so I learned all of that biology stuff that everyone else was learning, but it's really allowed for me to learn those fundamentals that everyone else is learning, as well as teach myself how to approach a problem in a different way. The first person that did it was like a Chapman scholar or something, and he was a physics major and a chemistry major, and he said that when he went to medical school that he used more physics than he did chemistry, and he said, everybody learns the same basic chemistry classes before you go into medical school, it's just the prereqs, but you use that problem solving all day, and you use it on your boards, and you use it when you're talking with patients, and so I think a lot of people really underestimate the degree, So I think the best thing about the physics department is that you make it what you make it. So you're not just another student who has a 4.0, and that's the only way you can stand out. In physics, you do research, you do special assignments, you do a lot of community activity, there's so many opportunities for awards, there's so many opportunities to get involved with research that you're not just another person with a 4.0 who gets into a honors program and that's what you put on your resume. You can put on your resume that you helped out with Boy Scout camps and that you founded some research that students in the future are going to be using too. So my one-liner I'm going to give you is, let physics be challenging, but don't make it something that it's not. So when we have intro students come in and ask us questions about very simple processes, springs, blocks on a table, blocks on a hill, cars going down a hill, those are all tangible, easy, understandable things. And what I tend to see people do is go online, Google something about a block on a hill, and they have all these huge fancy words that they don't understand, and they try to apply those to their homework, and they get points taken off because they don't understand the words that they're using. Then they feel, oh, I don't understand it because I don't know what the frictional coefficient is, and I don't understand resistance, and I don't know what capacitance is. And I think that everyone scares themselves off when they start physics and really make it something that it's not, and make it difficult and think it's math and think that everyone who does it is a prodigy and a genius and that's the only reason that they can do physics. And I think that really scares people off, and it really ruins your own experience with physics.